What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2024 Cadillac XT4. All those items are going to be in the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, I've already got the back hatch open. Then what I'm going to do is pull up on this deck lid. And on this deck lid right here, there's this little hook. And yours will be wrapped up if it's never been used before. But this will just hook on like that, and that just keeps this lid up while you're getting everything out. Now we see our spare tire right here. This is just held on by this wing nut. So we'll go ahead and get that loosened up. And then the spare tire will pull out of here like that. And then once we get the spare tire out, we have this item right here, which this will fold open. And this is going to be the lug nut wrench. This is also going to be the handle for the jack. So handle for the jack and lug nut wrench. And then the jack itself will be right here. So that should be everything you need to change your flat tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.